Well, it's another warm day in the city of cold hearts. They all just play the part of who they are. And I'm here on my own. I'd rather be alone than try to be someone that I'm not. And you seem like someone who could appreciate the fact that I'm no ordinary man. And it's misunderstood what you've heard about me. I see why you would doubt me, but know this: no one has a right until they've fought my fight to understand just where I'm coming from. And it's that fight that brought me here today, exactly as I am. No ordinary man. Well, it's another warm day in the city of cold hearts. It ends before it starts.